Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to take QuickBooks certification. First, understand that certification demonstrates your proficiency in using QuickBooks software, which is highly valued by employers and clients. To start, you'll need to select the specific QuickBooks product you want to get certified in, such as QuickBooks Desktop or QuickBooks Online. This initial choice will guide your entire preparation process. Preparing for your QuickBooks certification exam is crucial for success. We recommend diving into the official Intuit training materials, which are specifically designed to cover all exam topics. Don't forget to take several practice tests. They help you get familiar with the question format and pinpoint areas where you might need more study. A solid understanding of QuickBooks features and accounting fundamentals will serve you well. When it's time to take your QuickBooks certification exam, remember to stay calm and focused. The exam usually features a mix of multiple choice and practical, scenario-based questions designed to test your real-world application skills. Pay close attention to the time limit and allocate your time wisely across all sections. Once you submit your answers, you'll typically receive your results right away, letting you know if you've passed. Congratulations on achieving your QuickBooks certification. To keep your credential current, remember to complete any required annual updates or recertifications. This valuable achievement opens doors to numerous career advancements, from becoming a sought-after bookkeeper to a financial consultant. It's a fantastic way to boost your professional profile. Also, for those looking to streamline their daily routine, check out the description below for a link to some amazing leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.